Good morning, student. This is the fourth part of the chapter Money and Credit, class 10, subject Social Science. After having discussed the loan agreement or various terms of credit in the last section, student, we shall begin in this section with page number 45 with the remaining portion of the terms of credit, that is, let's work these out. We could understand that how terms of credit are equally important for both lender as well as both borrower. Borrower will be feeling safe, will be more confident while taking the loan because he is sure that there are written documents regarding the terms of credit. He will not be charged higher rate of interest as promised, will be charged only, and the lender will be also quite safe because he will be in a state to take the legal action once there will be no payment or no installment shall be paid by the borrower. It means that terms of credit required because we cannot remain on trust that the payment shall be made in the future by the borrower. Now, based on this, there are certain questions what we couldn't discuss in the part 3 of this particular chapter. So let's begin from page number 45, student. You have first question: why do lender ask for collateral while lending? We have already discussed that lender need to get a kind of guarantee or security that in case borrower will not repay the loan as promised in a agreement, lender may take legal action and can sell the assets what are given as a security by the borrower and get back its money somehow. That is why lender would like to have collateral while lending. Another question is, given that a large number of people in our country are poor, does it in any way affect their capacity to borrow? Yes, very much, student. Look, you have discussed that collateral is an asset which is owned by the borrower, maybe a property, land property, another building, or deposit with banks or agricultural field. But what about poor? They do not have any such thing. What they can give as a guarantee or security to the lender so that lender can be willing to give them loan. That is why it will definitely affect their capacity to borrow. Student, there is another question. It is expected from your side, but let me read it for you. Fill in the blanks choosing the correct option from the brackets. While taking a loan, borrower look for easy terms of credit. This means there is two choice: low oblique high interest rate. Whatever you think, you fill it yourself. Easy or tough conditions of repayment, and less or more collateral and documentation requires. What you think best, you discuss with your teacher in case you have any doubt. Otherwise, I'm sure you will not require to discuss. You will be able to find out its answer yourself. Moving to our next section on page number 46, that's variety of credit arrangement in the village area. Student, in this section there are two boys, Rohit and Ranjan. They have understood this particular heading terms of credit given on page number 44 and 45. Now they are very eager to know that whether such kind of arrangement do take place in their village area, and they have decided, as per date on 15 November 2019, they have decided to move to their area and do some survey among the people in the village, that what are the terms of condition under which they have borrowed the money, and based on the comparison we will try to find out certain area. Also in this section we will discuss that loans taken not only from the banks, rather from the cooperatives as well as money lender. All the choice shall be addressed over here. Whatever options are possible to get the money from money lender or from bank or from cooperatives, all these possibilities of lender will be discussed over here. Student, they have decided to move and they started making their inquiry from the Shyamal, who is in possession, living in Sonpur village, and is in possession of 1.5 acre of land, and he is likely to produce a crop for potato. Now for potato crop, this farmer needs some input, some sort of things are required, like agricultural seeds or electricity for making irrigation or for repair of the various agricultural tools or fertilizer or pesticides, whatever it is, there is some input required. For that, this person has taken a loan with the rate of 5% per month. Listen carefully, 5% per month, but rate of interest is always calculated per year or per annum. So you can say it is 60% per annum, which is very expensive. Little later, this person has decided that the loan is costly. He realized somehow that the loan what he is taking is costly. He will not be taking from money lender, so he decided to take it from agricultural trader in the terms condition that agricultural trader will provide loan for agricultural inputs, and this time the rate of interest is 3% per month. It means 36%, 3 into 12, 36% per month. Still it is very costly. Along with this, student, there is a condition that whatever shall be produced after the harvesting will be done and crop will be ready to sell, this farmer will have a condition to sell it to the agricultural trader only. It simply means that initially when the harvesting is done for any crop, the prices of the crop usually remains low. So agriculture trader will take the things at a lesser price and will keep waiting and sell when the price of that particular commodity or product will be higher. So who will make profit? It is the agricultural trader, and farmer will remain as it is. After working hard, he will have no such good profit, so he will continue he will be continuing taking loan, because there will be no situation like Mr. M. Salim, who after few years of the taking of the loan was not required to take loan. His own situation became so good. Then these two boys, Rohit and Ranjan, moved to another person, that is Arun, who is in possession of 7 acres of land, and he is understanding that loan need to be taken from where the rate of interest is quite less. So Arun has taken a loan at the rate of 8.5% per annum. That is very less, and he has not taken from money lender, not from any agricultural trader. He has taken a loan from bank with the condition that within a period of 3 years, means 36 months, he will be able to repay the loan with his convenience. Means he has a choice to make the loan payment within a span of 3 years. He can pay little earlier, he can pay within 3 years whenever he find things in a good state. So now he is not in a condition that once the crop is produced, he has to sell it to someone to repay the loan, or under the condition set like there in the previous case, agricultural trader has set the condition that crop has to be sold to him only. Here he will have the luxury, so he will keep waiting after producing his crop, that when the prices go up he will be selling, and in the meantime he will keep his crop in the cold storage, and he will take fresh loan because bank is providing this facility to the farmer. That's why he will be not stopping himself to produce another crop, and in the meantime there are possibility that the crop which is being produced and kept in the cold storage will be getting higher in the terms of prices, and then he will be selling it. So he will be in a state to make a good profit, and easily he will repay the loan and he will end up making good profit. Student, there is another case. There is a female landless laborer, Rama. She has no regular work, so she do not take the loan for the purpose of agricultural production. Rama takes the loan for the family need, for the family function, sometime for the illness or any other reason, and she borrow every time money, and when she is unable to repay the money, she continue along to ask from the person, from the employer where she is working. That's why she is not respected at all. Her employer used to exploit her physical work because she is continuously asked to keep working to repay her loan. At the time it is mentioned in your textbook that she is owning, she is supposed to pay 5,000 rupees. So she is in a bad terms and condition, student. That is what we have understood from three conditions, that Arun has taken a good decision by borrowing from the money lender. I'm sorry, student. Arun has borrowed from the bank, and that's why he is in a good condition. Now moving to next heading given on page number 46, student. But before that, there is again some question I think we need to address. If it is there, let us move. Okay, we will address after discussing this heading loans from cooperative given on page number 46. It is not only bank as an institution which gives the loan. There are various cooperatives also. Cooperative for farmers, cooperative for the weavers, cooperative for industrial worker. Here we will discuss one of the cooperative which is meant for farmer known as Krishak cooperative. How cooperative do the lending? They provide lending by number one, their lending is again like bank, it is quite cheap. And second is that their lending is based on certain collateral what the cooperatives used to give to the loan to used to give to the bank as a collateral. Let me again explain it. I think it is going somewhere else. Cooperative get a small contribution from its member. Like in your book, there is this Krishak cooperative, what is mentioned over here, with 2300 farmers. So these 2300 farmers can make a small pool from their side. As a result, what would happen that this Krishak cooperative will have some amount what they can deposit as collateral to the bank, and from big bank they can get some huge amount of loan what can be given to these farmers. Out of these 2300 farmers, few will require to borrow the loan, so they will be giving loan to these farmers at a quite cheap rate, and then with a good condition of the repayment, easy condition of the repayment, farmer will be in a state to repay their loan. That's how what would happen, that loans from cooperatives will also be providing a kind of assistance so that our farmers are not going to get exploited by the money lender or people like agricultural trader who charge high rate of interest and also put some condition that the things being produced by the farmers has to be sold at a lesser price whenever it is going to be produced only. So taking the loan from the bank or taking the loan from the cooperative give a luxury that whenever they feel comfortable they can be selling their crops, and whom they want to sell they will be in a state like case of Arun kept his Arun kept the potato in the cold storage waiting when the prices will go up, he will be selling and he will be paying the loan. So there are two good things, bank and cooperatives get charge a less rate of interest and also give a plenty of time, sufficient time I should be saying, to repay the loan. That's how, student, we have understood variety of the credit arrangement. Let's find out what questions in this sections are addressed over here. Let's work these out. Page number 46. Please open your textbook. Your first question is list the various sources of credit in Sonpur. So student, going through all these 4-5 stories, you can find out, like in case of Shamal initially had taken from money lenders. Then he had to borrow from agricultural trader. Arun borrowed from the bank, and Rama has to borrow from the employer, that is a small agricultural farmer. Then there is cooperative also which is providing. So these are the possible source. You read it yourself. If any left from my side, you find it out and write it down. Underline the various uses of credit in Sonpur in the above passage. We could find that most of the cases is for agriculture production, but it is not limited to agriculture production. It is also for the personal purpose, like Rama is taking for the family function or illness in the family. Then it is mentioned in the last part of the cooperatives. Then loan is also not is also taken for for the fishing purpose or doing some other activity other than agricultural activities. It is mentioned, there is a list on the page number 46, student. Let me read it for you, that what cooperatives provide loan for. Krishak cooperative provide loan for purchase of agricultural implements, loans for cultivation and agricultural trade, fishery loans, loans for construction of house, and for variety of other expenses. That's good enough, student, written on last paragraph of this box. So you can find out what are the areas. Now compare the terms of credit for the small farmer, the medium farmer and the landless agriculture worker in Sonpur. Student, you have three examples. The small farmer example is of the Shamal, the medium farmer example is of the Arun, and the landless agriculture worker is Rama. All the terms of credit can be compared. One is taking, Shamal is having a very difficult condition, high rate of interest, and to be paid immediately after the harvesting season is over. Arun is in a very good state because he is charged very less by the bank and sufficient time is given to repay the loan. And medium farmers, after that landless agriculture worker, Rama, she is being given loan with a very tough condition that she has to work on the field uh, without getting any wages or money just to repay her loan. So she will be in a condition where she will continue to take loan because her situation will never be good enough that she will be doing any important expenditure in the house on her own or with the capacity of her own. Now why will Arun have a higher income from cultivation compared to Shyamal? You are knowing, because Arun has taken a loan with a less rate of interest, so he will have to pay less. Second, that Arun has plenty of time to get the good prices for his crop, so he is expected to have higher profit after even paying the loan. That's what Arun is expected to make higher income. Can everyone in Sonpur get credit at a cheap rate? Quite difficult, because not everyone has sufficient collateral. Arun can give the collateral, Shyamal can also give the collateral, but Rama is not in a state that she can be giving collateral and going to institute like bank, going to any banking institution. Who are the people who can? So it is, I said, who can. Arun can easily take the loan. Take the correct answer. Over the years, Rama's debt will be, let me read it. The option is, student, that over the years will rise, will remain constant, will decline. Debt will naturally rise because she is unable to pay and she is taking further loans, so she will have to pay more and more. Arun is one of the few people in Sonpur to take a bank loan because banks demand collateral which everyone cannot provide. That's what Rama cannot take this loan, and maybe Shamal can take, but he is preferring to take from money lender. Talk to some people to find out the credit arrangement that exists in your area. As I said, student, during lockdown, you are not supposed to get involved in any such activity where you are likely to meet people outside your house. Any other time when your things will be normal, do it. So, student, in the next video content, we will begin from page number 48 and we will try to understand that various lending institution can be categorized into two category: formal and informal sources of credit. Thank you, student.